Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to draw Mr. Crystal, the big bad wolf from the movie Sing 2, and I'm going to show you how to draw him in step-by-step simple instructions. Are you ready? Let's go.
Starting with an oval circle shape for the head, and then I'm going to just branch off a couple of shoulders, and then it's pretty much just going to draw the structure of him straight down like so. And he's quite like a triangle shape. Alright, so, and that's where I'm going to put his shoes, and then his leg. So his body's about, his legs are about halfway, I'll probably go about halfway, yep. So I'm just going to bring his legs up to there for a start. Now this is just blocking him in, just blocking in where he goes, and that's where his tail is. And I can come back and put on all the extra details later, and he's got his arm there. Yep. Okay, rightio, time to start getting some details on. Start with his jacket. Once you've got the proportions right, this is when you can start adding all the details in. So he's got a pocket here. And this is like his suit. He's like a suit. And that's going to come up there because this is actually going to be his arm. He's got his arms sort of tucked in behind him. And then this is the other part of the collar, the jacket. And then it's got a top pocket up here. And I like to sketch it out, be fairly loose with my line work for a start. That way I can rub it out if I'm not too happy with it. Make any adjustments, and then he's got a shirt collar in there. And then this is his head, and just doing some little lines like so to make it look like he's triangle there, another triangle there, and this is basically his face is going to be here. So let's start with his nose.
And then adding more details such as the top of his mouth, and then I'm just lightly drawing the bottom of his jaw in. Just bringing in the side a little bit. This is where we add those details to make Mr. Crystal look awesome. And we can, because we're drawing in pencil, anything that we're not happy with, we can change later when we outline. Drawing the area where the teeth are going to be, mapping on the top of the nose. As you can see, I'm pressing a little bit harder with my pencil for the extra details. Top of the eyebrows is looking a little bit mean, and then getting the eye shape in where I would like it to be.
Yeah, he's looking this way, so that's why you can see that I've got his face slightly side on, but both of his eyeballs will be looking out this way. He's always a bit cranky, not very often that he's happy. Old Mr. Crystal. And then we've got to put his teeth in. Now you can start to see that a few little lines for her. Yeah, you can start to see with every line that I put in adds a little bit more description to what he's like and the details, making it look effective.
I'm just going over the rest of the details, making sure I'm pressing a bit harder, refining any areas that I need to. As you can see there, I brought out his arm and his jacket, and he wears a big suit, so just making sure all the details are there. And then I'm going to outline it, and I'm going to fast forward the outlining. Keep practicing your drawing and your shading and you will become a really good drawer. Practice doesn't make perfect, but it makes you better. Hope you enjoyed drawing Mr. Crystal as much as I did. If you did, give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Happy drawing, and thanks for watching. Bye. Cheers.